Your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
Welcome back. Right now we're taking a look at some of the damage from yesterday's devastating tornado that ripped through Enid, Oklahoma. According to the National Weather Service, Enid is a city of around 50,000 people.
The Garfield County Sheriff's Office in Oklahoma says there are no immediate reports of fatalities and only minor injuries hours after the tornado passed through. Justin, I know you were riveted to this on social media all day yesterday.
Yeah, last night I was just sitting there and I was like, oh, let me check out the radar of what those storms were looking like out in the plains, Oklahoma and Kansas. Big time tornadoes, an area that's obviously used to severe weather. But I mean, you're not used to looking outside and seeing damage. You know what I'm saying? And you never want to see that.
No, homes are gone.
Yeah,
There's just the foundation and rubble. It's It's terrible.
It is, and it's sad. Let me show you though an actual video. Look at this video. This was of the tornado.
Oh my.
Wow.
I think we have some nats on that. If we're able to turn that up, I know we were. Can you imagine looking out your window and seeing stuff like that? I know that people in London, it was at night when that came through, so they couldn't really see it coming like that when we had the tornado there last year. But if you were to look outside, I'm just telling you, I would be in all-out, probably panic mode.
A lot longer than I would have.
Yeah. Oh, me too. Like, I mean, look at the debris that's coming around the base of that, around the condensation funnel. Looks like some trees, pieces of roofs that are ripped off of homes there. Just a very scary situation. Now, that same system, let me show you where those storms are from last night currently. Well, first, let me go back to the radar loop. I want to show you what the radar looked like. Here's Enid, Oklahoma. Watch, all of a sudden, this loop's going to go back over here in just a moment. Watch this storm just flare out of nowhere. Boom, boom, boom. And then it gets to that purple polygon, which means there was a confirmed tornado. Obviously, we just saw it there. And look at just storm after storm. Eventually, it lined up in just more of a heavier rain event as it was approaching Tulsa. But going there into the northern and an eastern part of Oklahoma, just prolific severe weather. For us, we're dry. This is what the radar looks like now. These are the storms from last night. They have moved east into Missouri and down into Arkansas in a weaker state, but definitely bringing some much needed rainfall to Arkansas. They are in an extreme drought down there. Well, these storms are going to get much weaker than even that by the time they come toward us as we head later into the day. Honestly, to the point that it's likely looking at just scattered showers and storms by the time that they move here. Temperatures right now, 50s and 60s, so it's a mild morning. As we look at the satellite, only a few clouds right now, but thicker clouds are to come. We can already see those approaching Bowling Green. Back over to Evansville and Owensboro, skies are becoming more mostly cloudy out there, so we'll get these clouds to move east. What about those rain showers? Well, I think we're going to get some redevelopment to that line in the heat of the day, and we could even see a strong, maybe a severe storm out of this. Greatest chance for that is going to be in northern Kentucky, but I won't rule out a strong storm. We'll take the rain, though. Overnight, rain likely fills in, especially into eastern Kentucky. And then we get into tomorrow afternoon and things are trending drier. So for this afternoon, PM scattered showers and storms, otherwise warm and breezy. We're seeing those winds today that could go 10, 20 miles an hour. As we work our way into tonight, we will keep that chance for rain going, especially into eastern Kentucky. So you may hear a pitter-patter on the rooftop, upper 50s, low 60s. What about the rest of the weekend? Well, you'll see some rain chances on here for tomorrow, but it's not a washout here. By tomorrow morning, by the time a lot of you are waking up, I think most of the rain is, what's left of it is eastern and southeastern Kentucky. By the afternoon, could dodge a couple of pop-up showers. Sunday's dry and nice. Then next week, more rain chances. We could have a severe threat on the table late Monday night into Tuesday morning. We'll definitely keep an eye on it, but I don't see anything at all, at least with these storms today or tomorrow, Krista, that looks nothing like what happened out to the west, thankfully.
All right, that feels good to hear.